Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through New Kingston in the city of Kingston, Jamaica. Now we just passed over the intersection of Trafalgar Road and Hope Road and Waterloo Road. So we are now on Trafalgar Road and we are in the New Kingston area now. On the right at this intersection is Halton, not Halton Terrace. To the left is Halton Avenue, to the right is Ruthven Road. And we are on Trafalgar Road. We just passed the CPJ building on the left, and coming up on the left now is the head office for the NCB Bank, and it's called the Atrium. Okay, we're now going to turn left onto Garili Avenue. And on the right, where that black car is coming from, is the parking lot for the building on the left, which is the atrium. Okay, we're now going to turn left onto Halton Avenue. And coming up on the right now is the JMMB Bank. This is what they call the Halton Avenue branch. That's it there on the right. And we're staying on Halton Avenue and heading back towards Trafalgar Road. This is on the left is another view of the CPJ building, and that's where the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica is. Alright, so straight ahead is Trafalgar Road. If we turn left, we take Trafalgar Road towards Knutsford Boulevard, which is probably the main road in New Kingston. And if we turn right, we would take Trafalgar Road back to the intersection of Hope Road and Waterloo Avenue. If we were to go straight across the road, we'd go on to Ruthven Road. And Ruthven Road leads us back to Halfway Tree Road. Okay, that building straight ahead is the Courtly Towers, and the white building straight ahead is the Courtly Towers, and this building where you see the glass, that's a Sagicor building. Alright, so we're now heading towards Knutsford Boulevard, and on Knutsford Boulevard you're going to find some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now New Kingston is like the business district of Jamaica, and this is where you're going to find all the financial institutions, insurance companies, those kind of things. It's like New Kingston is like the Wall Street of Jamaica. Alright, so we're now at the intersection with Knutsford Boulevard, so we're going to turn right. And you're going to find some of the tallest buildings. Some of the tallest buildings in Kingston are in New Kingston. The tallest building in Jamaica, the Pegasus Hotel, is actually located in New Kingston. So yeah, you definitely have some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica located in New Kingston. We'll point them out to you as we go along. Alright, so we're now on Knutsford Boulevard. On the left is the NCB branch. They call it 127 Knutsford. On the right is the JPS building. Now straight ahead on the right, that's the Caramed building, and a very popular call center is located in there. Okay, now straight ahead are two of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. On the right is the Pan Caribbean building, and it's one of the 10 tallest buildings in Jamaica. On the left is the Sagicor building. However, that used to be the Citibank building. It's also one of the tallest buildings. Alright, we're now at the intersection with Barbados Avenue. It's a one-way, so you can only turn right. As you can see, there are a lot of food places. You just pass Island Grill, Burger King. There's a Tasty Pat. We're now passing Tasty Pat. I'm not sorry, Tasty Juicy Beef. There's a Tasty Pat is further up, right beside the NCB Bank. Now we're passing the intersection with Trinidad Terrace, and on the left is the New Kingston Police Station. On the right, you have a KFC. Okay, straight ahead is the Wyndham building now, or it used to be the Wyndham building. It's also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. And then beside it, you have the Courtney Hotel. And then that building with the blue balcony, that's the Pegasus. That's the tallest building in Jamaica as of today. But plans are on the way to build a building taller than the Pegasus, but it hasn't. I'm not sure if they've started, but it's definitely not completed. So the Pegasus, as of today, is still the tallest building. Okay, straight ahead now is the Marriott Hotel. On the left is Emancipation Park, and that's one of the nicest parks in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.